everyone, welcome back to my channel, African Love. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare fish the traditional way for sale in the market. First, you must choose fresh fish. Good fish should have clear eyes, firm flesh,
No bad smell. Bright skin. Fresh fish means better taste and more customers in the market.
Now we dry the fish in the sun. Place them on clean racks under strong sunlight. Protect them from flies using a net. Salt helps preserve the fish, remove water, stop bad smell, rabbit hole bath. It's a very important traditional step. Traditional fish preparation is simple and powerful. With fresh fish, salt, sun, and care, you create a product that lasts longer and sells well. Welcome! Fresh fish, look how clean and fresh they are. Good presentation increases sales. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below for videos on fish pricing, storage, or business tips. See you next time.